Welcome to paradise.
Let's see. This is where it's at, guys. Wow, I wasn't expecting that.
Right here.
There it is, huh?
The bunny baby.
Looks nice. I like the color. This is the car, guys. Let's see, the color is nice.
The Mons blue.
What do you guys think? You got the carbon fiber roof. Yeah. The Competition. M4. What do you guys think, man? This is the car I've been talking about. We'll see. I'm about to test drive it right now. Let's check it out, you know, look it over, see how everything looks. But yeah, what do you guys think, man? Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Got the blue calipers. It's been here for almost 200 days now, huh? Why is that? Has no one come to look at it, or?
It's a manual transmission.
Is that why nobody wants to?
2% of the American population.
Knows how?
know how to drive manual transmission.
I'm part of the 2%. You guys hear that? Wow, save the manuals. What's going on, people?
Save the manual.
Especially in a car like this, why would you not want a manual transmission?
Yep.
Yeah, that was one thing that I seen. I was like, why is nobody, you know, like 200 days? I know, like, you know, it's a pricey vehicle, but
It's a specialized vehicle. I mean, no one these days knows how to drive stick shift. And
Yeah.
if they do, they don't really know how to drive stick shift.
right. Well, it looks nice.
Yeah,
Got the
inside.
PPF. Is this like this comes from the factory like that?
I think this was post-purchase,
Okay.
but that's just to protect the paint.
Right. Yeah, it's PPF. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's not a bad thing.
Yeah.
Let's see, I'm just gonna do a quick little glance over everything. And this was a leased vehicle, right?
I believe so. Yes.
Here you go. You guys were wondering the specifics. We'll talk more about that later. All right.
All right, we're gonna pull around.
Yeah.
Sweet. You wanna jump in the front passengers?
Yeah, let's do it. Got the Competition seats with the holes in them.
The leather is soft as butter.
Yes, it's nice. Carbon fiber there. Sounds nice. Oh, I should have got the startup. I'm sorry, guys. I'm rusty, man. I haven't had content lately. Got the red push to start.
Sweet.
All right, I'm just gonna look it over, and next time you guys see me, we'll be going on a test drive. So, stay tuned.
You like it?
I'm trying to hold back the enthusiasm. You know, you don't want to be too excited when you know.
You should be excited.
Hold it back a little bit. This thing's sick though.
When I saw you and you were like smiling, I was like, Louie's like at the candy store right now.
I'm trying not to like.
You should be excited, man.
No, but like you don't want to let the salesman see your freaking excitement, because then you're like, got him right where I want him. You know, this thing is fucking sick. This thing is dope. All right, I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to hold my composure, because you know when you're negotiating and doing things of that nature, you don't want to like come off like too crazy about it, you know, because they're gonna, like I said, they're gonna think they have you right where they want you, and they do kind of. So trying to just be calm and take it all in, but this thing is dope. All right, let's go. Excuse my voice when I have this camera, because I hold it with my mouth, but you know, I do what I gotta do to get the best angle for you guys. Got the M seatbelt with the classic coloring. Got the red push to start button. You know, the carbon fiber, Harman Kardon. Everything looks good. This was a leased vehicle, so you know, it's been kept up pretty well. The seats, you know, but enough talking, man. Let's get to the action.
Come on, Louie. What a slowpoke. He's literally talking to himself in there.
It's been a while since I drove a manual vehicle, so let's see how it goes. Oh, got the heads-up display right there. Forgive me, guys, but I don't know the modes. Like, I'm assuming these right here are the different drive modes and everything, but I'm not too sure. So we're gonna have to get used to this. I'm assuming I have it in the best one. It's M2 right now. I can see the heads-up display. I'm not sure if you guys can see that very well, but let's go. Wow. The clutch is super light. I've never felt a clutch so light in my life. Wow, to get used to this. Oh, auto rev match. Nice. Here's a little backfire. I can't talk, guys, sorry. I have this in my mouth. I feel like I'm learning how to drive manual all over again. You see we're right here next to the water. Got the little scenic view right there, the mountains in the background and the clouds and everything. The bridge way back there. I wonder if I'm in the right mode. Alright, I'm gonna try out the different modes and see how it changes. M1, M2. Okay. Okay. Gonna get a little more used to it. I gotta figure out a better way to hold this camera. Is this road closed? Or what?
Lane closed.
All right, you guys have seen enough. I'm just gonna enjoy it now. All right, we'll get back to you in a second. Alright, so I just left the BMW dealer. Obviously, I'm not in the BMW. The dealer I was talking to, a really cool guy. I like the car a lot. We talked about it, you know, and I told him I would think it over. It's so close to the number I want. I'm just trying to get to that number, you know?
The next day.
Alright, so I'm on my way back to the dealership. I talked to my guy over there, and it looks like finally we got a car for the channel.